Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a haul try-on video from Pretty Little Thing. I actually bought a bunch of things from there for my upcoming holiday, and I thought I would try them on for all of you guys. Although I did get a few pairs of swimmers as well, but I'm going to leave that for when I'm actually on holiday. So yeah, and James and Chief are just going to chill in the background wrestling each other. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first I've got these high-waisted shorts. They're not my favorite ever, but they're loose and I don't like them when they're too tight. And then I also got these black boots, which I'm gonna wear for the Beyonce concert, and that's pretty much what I got them for, but I thought they looked cute with this outfit. And then I got a 2-pack. They sold a 2-pack of bodysuits. So I've got a black t-shirt bodysuit, sort of like low cut but not too low cut, and then a white version as well. Then this is just a change of top. It's like this chiffon, I don't even know how to describe it, crop top with this like frill sleeve, and I don't actually know if I even like it. It wasn't meant to be like this fabric. I honestly thought it was going to be like a cotton or something, and it's super see-through as well, so I don't know if I like it that much. If I'm going to send it back, I don't know. We had to change cameras because the other camera wasn't working. Good times. So here I've got a like little crop that's like a ribbed pink crop, and then it zips up with this big ring, and then these sort of like cargo pants, but they're cream and they have a button, a zipper, side pockets. It kind of looks good with these boots, but they're pretty tight. They've got an elasticized waist, but they're not like a regular, they're more like a silky, soft, thin, like satin fabric, if anything. And then I just changed tops. This is just literally a basic white crop. Bit frayed on the edge, obviously. Literally looks like someone just chopped a longer one. And then I also got this pink crop jumper. Just thought I'd show you guys quickly. It does come with matching pants, but they didn't have my size, so. So next I've got this army style dress. Excuse me for playing with it. I actually really like it. It's camo, obviously, in color. It's got this nice gold buckle. It's got actual pockets at the front, on the top and down here, and it's like a really nice fit. I look even more army with these boots on, and I like the sleeves how they are, but it's like literally so low cut that it's stressing me out. This black thing is so that once you break it, you can't like send it back, and I just don't know. I don't know if I'm going to send it back or not. I really wish if I could pin it like here. I feel like I would like it. I wouldn't even have any questions. But because it's so low cut, it's stressing me out a lot. What do you think? Okay, so this is my Vegas 70s inspired outfit. I don't know how I feel about this one either. It's pretty low cut, but I don't know if it's like suits my shape. Please let me know in the comments below if you think it looks good or not, ASAP. So it's like see-through, and it's made of this like stretchy gold material, and I do really love the front. I'm just not sure about this area, and it's got built-in like high-waisted like underwear in here, so your legs are pretty much see-through. And with heels, it just works. It's literally, I can just imagine sparkling in Las Vegas before. So if you think it's a Las Vegas inspired outfit from the 70s and I should wear it, please let me know in the comments below. And then if you're not already, follow me on Instagram so that you can see if I actually did wear it or not, because I will definitely be doing updates there. So then as you can see, pretty see-through, low back. It's a bit risque. Let me know your thoughts. Might be getting a little bit dark, but this is a 2-piece matching tracksuit in that like weird, oh, it's like that shiny weird material. I don't know how to explain it. It's got stripes down the side, so of both the jacket.
It's what the Adidas tracksuits were made of in the 90s.
Yeah, Adidas tracksuits in the 90s is what this reminds us both of. It's just like a crop jacket. I like it more in heels, but I don't actually know if I would wear these pants in heels. Where am I wearing this in heels? I'd have to see what it looks like with joggers, but I'm not 100% committed. I do really like the jacket though. But yeah, see, it looks heaps better in heels. And then I like how it's cropped and both it's like cinched in at the waist. And then I've got this bodysuit underneath it, which actually is more for like Mexico that I got it for. It's like this nude bodysuit with these little shell buttons. More of like a square neckline, and it's ribbed and beige.